So why do we estimate? Why do we estimate? We estimate to make life easy for ourselves, and we want to get nice numbers that we can do quickly and mentally, especially if somebody's asking us something on the fly. So look what they're kind of coaching us here. We got 5 times 45, and we could either estimate up or down, and we're choosing a nice number with a 0 at the end to make life easy, because 5 times 40 is similar to 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 40, therefore we add 1 0 and it's 200. 5 times 50 is like 5 times 5, which is 25, plus 1 0 is 250. And Diane, now what are we saying? Diane and Aldo are trying to estimate this. Diane says 200. Aldo says 250. Which one's closer? Well, they're actually equally close in this case. Now, how do we know that? Well, this is a weird case where 40 is just as close to 45 as 50 is, right? They're both 5 away. So we can say that these estimates in this case are actually equally close. The correct answer, if you multiply it out, is 225.